In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to UPS store. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the nearest UPS location, see when it's open, and get the contact details you need, all in just a few clicks. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type a simple phrase like UPS locations or UPS store near me. You'll see results from the official UPS website and the UPS store site. Either works, but aim for the official locator page to ensure the information is current and accurate. If your browser asks to use your location, you can allow it for quicker results, or you can continue without sharing your location and search by place name instead. Once you're on the locator, look for the option to choose your state. This is usually presented as a map, a drop-down menu, or a list of states. Click on the state where you want to find a UPS location. If you're planning a shipment in a different state than where you are now, selecting that state helps you see only the relevant stores and avoids extra results you don't need. After choosing the state, you'll be prompted to narrow it down to a city. Find your city in the list or use the search field if one is available. Cities are often listed alphabetically, and larger metro areas may appear with multiple neighborhoods. Click on the city that's most convenient for you. If your area has several nearby towns, pick the one you're most likely to visit so you can compare options in that vicinity. On the next page, you'll see the details you came for. This typically includes the physical street addresses for each location, the current operational hours for weekdays and weekends, and direct phone numbers. Take a moment to confirm today's hours, as they can vary by store and may change on holidays. If you're planning a time-sensitive drop-off, check the closing time and consider calling the location to confirm services or pickup deadlines. You can copy the address into your Maps app for turn-by-turn directions, and it's a good idea to note any special instructions provided on the page, such as parking details or accessibility information. That's all there is to it. Open your browser and search for UPS locations. Choose your state, pick your city, and review the addresses, hours, and phone numbers. With these quick steps, you can confidently find the right UPS spot for shipping, returns, or mailbox services whenever you need it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get in, get out, and get on with your day.